Is snoring keeping you up at night or driving your spouse insane? You are not alone. Data from a longitudinal study published in 1993 found that approximately 44% of men and 28% of women snore perpetually, so this problem is occurring in bedrooms across the nation. If you are looking for a simple way to get rid of your snoring problems, search no more. Here is a simple proven solution that will stop your snoring once and for all. Ready? Sleep Well Pro Adjustable Chin Strap. This product was engineered to provide instant relief while you sleep, and according to Dr. Nick Schaefer, it is the only anti-snoring product that he recommended. Sleep Well Pro Adjustable Chin Strap is one of the top-rated anti-snoring products which will help you over the years. To learn more about this anti-snoring product, check out this website now, http://mikestopsnoring.com. You can also get there by clicking the link directly underneath this video. Once you start wearing this anti-snoring jaw support, your snoring will cease immediately. Type into your browser URL bar right now, http://mikestopsnoring.com to learn more about Sleep Well Pro Adjustable Chin Strap.